Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or SP 500 forecast or the Nasdaq forecast or stock market forecast. Because today, guys, about the voting you make, because we got two votings they being on, one in Telegram 83%, they said we put in that video here about stock market, but here in YouTube we make another voting in the community tab, then majority of the people here, about 60%, they said no for stock and only Bitcoin. So guys, that video, guys, we will not analyze for you 5 stocks. We'll analyze for you the SP 500 and the Nasdaq plus the Bitcoin. So like that, we will be equal. We will not try make the people they want just the stock upset, and we will not try people that just want the Bitcoin upset. So we will try to be equal. So I will not analyze for you daily here. The daily candle, I'm going to analyze it for you when the daily candle finishes. So now we will start only from 4 hours. I think everything is too clear, guys. So let's start it. As you see, guys, here we got here the SP 500 as you see it, and look with me here. We came from that zone here, as you see it there, and we draw it like that. Look with me here, like that, what you see. You are in a very, very stronger level, guys, as you see it. And now you are in it. Now, what shall you do? Same thing like the Bitcoin, guys. Same pattern, everything is the same. Look at it. Either from here, it's going to fall down and to break here, that level here. That man is going to fall down more, down till here. Or another scenario, guys, from here is going to break that level up here. Everything is too clear, guys. So now look with me here, guys. Look here. You see it or no? Even in the Bitcoin, we show you that channel like that. You see it or no? Now, if that one, the SP 500 came and break in here, that one here, you enter short, guys. Remember that. By the way, the SP 500 is the best top 500 companies. It's an index fund. So if it came and break in here, you enter short. Remember that. Let's see our indicators, what they say in here. Our indicator, guys, as you see it. Is it here? Same thing at the overbought area. Yes or no? When we are here at the overbought area, what we're looking for? People, they being with us. What we're looking for? A very stronger supply and demand zone. And yes, you are in one. Second thing, what is it? A price action. Where is the price action here? Price action is here. Look at it. That trend line, which is going here. You see it or no? We came here and we do like that. That's the price action, guys. Now, if that one came and breaking down here, you enter short. It might is going to stay here in that level for long, but who cares? Picture is too clear, guys. Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, guys, we got here a divergence. Same like Bitcoin, guys. And a divergence here, and we got a hidden divergence here. Same like the Bitcoin, guys. As you see it in front of you, a hidden divergence here. Everything is the same, guys. There is no difference between that one and the Bitcoin, as if you're analyzing the Bitcoin. You see it or no? Now we are here at that level. Where is the bulls? They're controlling, guys. Yes or no? So when the bulls they controlling, what should we do? We need to make a close eye at that level here, at that supply and demand zone here where we are now. If we are going to break it higher or no. Because majority of people now, they waiting what the Fed is going to do, guys. Let's go to the news to show you more, guys, what's happening today. Here we are, guys, in the news. That the news which is came today, as you see it. That one is the most important news, guys. Is the ISM manufacturing, that one. It came better than expected, guys. What that meant? The economic of USA, it taken off. So now, us, what shall we do? That week actually is coming the Fed, guys. We need to wait in what the Fed is going to do. That one, when it came like that meant the US dollar is going to fall down. I'm talking here economical, guys. Or fundamental. In the ISM manufacturing, it came positive. That meant the manufacturer in USA, they doing very, very, very well. And that's what it's showing here. That one is a measurement of the companies. As you see it, it used to be 54.4. Now it came 56.5, guys. It's doing very good manufacturing in USA. So what that meant, economic is doing well. So now also we need to see what the Fed is going to do. Everything is too clear, guys. And our friend here, it go up a little bit today. As you see it, it's 3.88. When the daily candle, I'm going to come back to you, guys. Now it's going back to the chart. Now we finished it, guys, from the SP 500. Let's go into the Nasdaq to analyze for you the Nasdaq, what it's doing. Here we are in the Nasdaq, guys. The Nasdaq, same thing, guys. As you see, that one without even to go back to any level. The 200 moving average level is a very stronger level alone, as you see it. We are in it. And even that one is the same thing like the others, guys. As you see. Actually, that one, you got a very, very clear channel here than the others. Look at it. You see it or no? And here, what you got? Now, here, it give you here like a triangle, guys, as you see it. So now what the view? The view for that one. The one for us to enter short is need to come to break down here, the trend line here. We're going to enter short. If it came and breaking upward here, there is a long buy signal, guys. Picture is too clear. The next level, where is it, guys? Look at it here. At that level here, you got the next level. That level where you are is a very, very stronger level also. Look here, as you see it, guys. See where I bring it from? Lock from here, lock from here, lock from down here, here, and here, and here. That one is a very, very stronger level, guys. If we break it up, how are we going to break it? A candle to start down here and to close above that level here. If we do that, the next level you got is that one, guys. That one here. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's see our indicators were the same for picture to be more clear to you. Here our indicator, guys. By the way, yes, you, my friend, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, guys, we put in for you every day 2 videos. Every day 2 videos. One after European market close and one after the daily candle close. So like that, you're going to be very, very, very well updated about all the market, guys. It's not something hard, my friend. Just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now here, guys, as you see our indicator, is it here at the overbought area? Should you enter short? No, we need a price action, guys, here. We need a price action. Look at it. You can make that one as a price action, as you see it. We got here a wedge, but that one is going to be very, very far away for it to break down. The best one is that one, guys. Look at it here. It's like that. If it came and breaking down here, you enter short, guys. Picture is too clear, guys. Now, let's go into the Bitcoin to see what the Bitcoin doing right now. Here we are, guys, in the Bitcoin. Here we are in the 4 hours. Also, we enter from here. Over here, I told you, take profit. I tell you all that, and we show you a hidden divergence here. We tell you if it's breaking here, enter long. Did it break? It's break here, as you see it, guys. It went up till here, but today is Monday, guys, when it came news. As you see it, it's showing a rejection down. Now, what is it, the view, guys? Same thing, as I tell it to you before. Like that. Look at it, like that. I show it to you in the SP 500, in the Nasdaq, and here in the Bitcoin. It's the same thing, guys. If it came and breaking down here, enter short, guys. If it doesn't, there is no entry short. And another thing here in the Bitcoin, what did I told you here? I told you it's going to give you here a flag. It give it to you. Look at it. I told you it's going to give you a flag like how it happened here. You see it or not? It give you a flag here, guys. Now what should you do? You bring that one tail here and you wait in the break to happen upward, guys. If the break happen upward, you're going to see the Bitcoin going higher and higher and higher, guys. So now what else we give you, guys? We give you 2 scenarios. First scenario is that one. If it's breaking down here, we will enter short, guys. If it's breaking down here, we will enter short, guys. If it came and breaking for us, that one here, that flag, it gave us the Bitcoin here. If it came and break it upward here, along, guys, to take profit of it, you came to that place here, put a line like that, you bring that line here, and you put it in the candle which is going to break. Then the take profit of you is going to be there. And me personally, I think it's going to go till here, guys, till that level here of 18,250. Everything is too clear, guys? Now let's go to see our indicators with the same for picture to be more clear to you. By the way, did you smash the like button? I know you don't. Go ahead and do it, my friend. Pause the video and smash the like button, writing down a comment. It's not something hard. It will not take you that much. Just pause the video now. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. Now let's go into see our indicators, guys. Here, our indicator, guys, is the same thing. You got here in the top a divergence here, from here to here, and down we still have that hidden divergence. As you see it, guys, it gives us here a wedge. Now, either we're going to touch that trend line here and we're going to go higher, or from here we're going to break it down and we go down till the oversold area, guys. Let's see those divergence I'm talking about. Look here, guys, in the chart. What you seeing? Look here, guys. What you seeing? The chart is going up. Look here down, guys. What's it doing? Is it falling down? That's a divergence, yes or no? And we show you even that one in the previous videos, guys. We show you we got here a hidden divergence like that. We show you all those things, guys. But now also what we will do, a divergence or no divergence, what else we will do, guys? Also we wait in the price action. I show you got a flag like that. You wait it to break up or down, and I show you, guys, you got a uptrend. You wait it if it's going to break or not. That's it. Even here, if it's breaking down, we'll enter short, guys. Picture is too clear, guys. Let's see our other indicator what it say for picture to be more clear to you. The one here, as you see it, also we are here at the overbought area. Level, yes, you are in a very stronger level. I'll show it to you in the SP 500 and the Nasdaq, guys. Now, what should you do? I'll show you all the scenarios now. You got a trend. If it came and break it down, you enter short. You got a flag here. If it's break it up, that is going to be the best things happening, guys. That's the target over here. Everything is too clear. Now, let's go to 30 minutes to see what is it there for picture to be more clear to you and to see if there is any scalping opportunity, guys. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, what else we tell you in the last two videos, guys? Here, we used to be here. When it's breaking here, I told you to enter long because we used to have here a triangle like that or a wedge. Yes or no? You can find it just in the past video. Just go back and watch the past video, the previous one, then that one. You're going to find that analysis, guys. When it just breaking here, look till where it went. You see it or no? It went up till here, guys. And watch me, I told you here. I told you if it's breaking down, you enter short. Did it break? No, guys, look at it. And look here, guys, in 30 minutes, that flag I'm talking about. You see it or not? It's very, very, very clear flag here in 30 minutes. That want to show you in the 4 hours. You see it or not? Now, what should we do, guys? Let's see our indicator what this saying. Our indicator, it's showing it's still going down, guys. But that one is just an oscillator, guys. We don't need to base our trading on it. May I show you the price action you have? You have that one here, guys, and that one here. If it came and breaking down, there is an entry short, guys. If it came and breaking down, there is an entry short. If it doesn't, we'll wait in that one to reach here to the oversold area. Then also we're looking for buy. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's see our other indicator what it's saying. That one here is different in the other, guys. That one here, look at the divergence we are talking about in the 4 hours. Look at it here. Look here, guys, about the divergence here. You see that peak here with that peak here and that one here. And that one here, what you seeing? Over here it's falling, over here is going up. But here is it at the oversold area, guys. Look at it. That level here, draw it with red. Every time that indicator of us it touch it, it reverse. Now what should we do? I'll show you all the price actions, guys, you got. Either it's going to break down or either it's going to back upward and to break upward, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you after the daily candle. Finish it. Bye for now, guys.